Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel an eBay order as a seller. Sometimes mistakes happen. Maybe an item is out of stock and you can't ship it. No worries. Today I'll show you how to cancel an eBay order properly as a seller without hurting your account too much. Now let's dive in and follow these few simple steps and instructions together. The first step is go to my eBay and sell it. And to do that, just search for eBay. Then visit the website and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once you log in, click on my eBay here and then go to selling. Let's look for the selling here, click on it. Now after you click on the selling at the top of the page, the second step is to find the order you want to cancel. Now in your orders or sold items, locate the transaction. Let's look for orders here and click on all orders, and here you can find all the orders you made. After you locate them, click on more action and cancel the order. The third step is to choose the reason for the cancellation. eBay will ask you why you're canceling. You can choose a reason like buyer asked to cancel, item is out of stock or damaged, or incorrect pricing. As for the fourth step is to submit the cancellation request. eBay will notify the buyer, and if the buyer accepts, the transaction will be officially cancelled. And for the fifth and final step, you can refund the buyer. eBay automatically processes refunds through your original payment method, as it may take 3 to 5 business days for the buyer to see the refund. And that's it. You've cancelled the order professionally without major account harm. Always communicate with buyers if you must cancel. It reduces bad feedback. And avoid frequent cancellation. Too many can lower your sale rating. And keep your inventory updated to prevent cancellation issues. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.